Today I'm going to try a solar powered project with model trains. So you're going to need a solar panel. This is the Goal Zero solar panel, and it has a solar panel that opens up, folds, should power. This is going to be an experiment here. In the back end, it's a zipper. The zipper opens up, and there is a USB portion there, and also there is a car lighter, cigarette lighter part that I will tinker with and experiment. So this will be the generating power plant. We need the sun, so I picked this picnic table out here, right over here. So we got that. One box with a Z-scale train, Tenshodo. Some Tenshodo trains, locomotives. So we'll try this. And one part of the experiment, modified USB firewire. I only use the red and black wire, which is cut and snipped. It's expendable. So we'll try that as a power. Inside is a box of track, Z-train railroad track, and there is a small Z-Tech transformer in there with also it uses a small 9-volt battery thing. I could try to do that, or try to plug it in, small plug-in. And then finally there's this power inverter, and the power inverter itself has a car male portion add-on. Maybe I can connect it to the solar panel part. So this might draw too much power and may fail to power the train at all. So we're going to see if we can power the whole setup here, and that's just about it. We'll try to assemble it. Okay, track is finally assembled, and based on my shadow, the sun is very bright. And this is my Z-Tech Tenshodo. I have to zoom in for me. It's very beautiful. Okay, in this scene I've connected the Z-Tech transformer to a plug, which is also plugged into a inverter, a power inverter. This is probably going to consume far more power, and it is plugged into a cigarette lighter, and the cigarette lighter part is to be connected. Okay, well, looks like it's drawing too much power and won't turn it. What a huge waste of power. Okay, in this scene I have the fire wire directly wired to the track, and this Tenshodo is on the oval track, and there is no transformer here, so we're using directly off the sun without any controls whatsoever. So I'm going to open up the solar panel. Oh, we got power and light. It's going in reverse because I have the wires switched. There is no control, so I have to reverse the train directly or switch the wires directly, but I'm only using half of the sun right now because I've only opened it halfway. If I open it up fully, it's probably going to go faster. Let's see. Oh, but I'm having complications here because I think I yanked on the wire. The wire disconnected.